from the get-go, it's been a product and a technology that fits our need, fits an important need that we have had with our population.
The WatchPAT is a really unique home sleep testing device. It doesn't measure different parameters based on a nasal tube. It's much less invasive than some of the other devices.
Which for some of our veterans that have behavioral health issues and claustrophobia and anxiety, this can be a challenge sometimes. This eliminates that factor completely.
It's very compact. It really allows patients to toss and turn the way they normally would.
I see a lot of patients who have already been in a sleep lab, and when they take a look at this WatchPAT device, they're like, that's it? And I'm like, yeah, and as a matter of fact, you're going to get more data out of that than we may have gotten even in the lab. So they're very impressed with how easy it is to use.
Sleeping is not in a typical warm, comfortable bed for these guys. They're used to sleeping in their bunk. So we want to keep their sleeping environment as close to their sleeping environment as possible. With Itamar, we have been able to adjust and test them in their environment, not in a lab environment.
And I think because of that ease of use, we get more recording time, more sleep time, and it's also got a very high success rate in terms of testing results.
There were 19 papers, now we have more, and showing the accuracy of the WatchPAT is in the 90% range in detecting sleep-disordered breathing.
In fact, the PAT signal is telling us something about not just sleep-disordered breathing, but sleep itself, and that puts it in a different class than many of the other ambulatory sleep technologies.
They have great support both for our technicians and particularly for the patient, 24/7.
Whenever you're buying a product, you're also buying the service. And with the WatchPAT, you don't have to call them very often because it doesn't seem to require a lot of service.
I believe right now we're testing in about 40 different states. We are doing an average of 120 HSTs a month.
I am so confident that this is really the best home testing equipment from every sense of the word.
So it's really a game changer.